Hello and welcome to the Kizuna M688 tablet remote tutorial. Today I am going to walk you through the ins and outs of the Kizuna tablet to better understand how to use it to get the most out of your massage chair. This video is going to be split into 4 different parts: tablet remote layout and functions, personalizing an auto program, building and saving a manual program, and pairing Bluetooth devices. Let's begin by turning on the tablet remote by tapping anywhere on the display screen. This will boot up the tablet remote. Once fully booted, a yellow warning screen will appear. Please read it thoroughly, and when finished, tap the red "Tap here to confirm" button to continue. To the left of the home screen is Auto. When tapping Auto, this brings up 12 auto programs that you can use with a tap of a button. Each of these auto programs provides different massage that is designed to stimulate muscles and ease tension. We recommend trying each one out and seeing which one feels best for you. To return to the home screen, tap the left arrow in the top left-hand corner of the display. To the right of Auto is Manual Settings. Once selected, this will bring you to another display where the full manual control settings are located. Each of these settings allows you to customize your massage to your liking. We will return to this screen later in part 2 of this video. Going back to the home screen, let's tap Smart Massage. Smart Massage uses sensors and AI to personalize your massage experience. The AI system automatically adjusts the massage intensity and techniques, aiming to replicate the adaptive nature of a human masseuse for a customized and effective treatment. To start a smart massage, tap Start Scanning, then place your index finger on the sensor underneath the right armrest. The program will then scan your heart rate and blood oxygen levels and display them on the screen. Depending on your detected fatigue level, the program will then recommend a smart massage program to try. Returning to the home screen, let's tap on Favorite. In Favorite, you can access a custom massage program created and saved using the manual controls in the manual settings display. You can store up to 3 different favorite programs and access them whenever you want. To save a program, simply tap on Save, and to run a program, simply tap Run. Note, if you save a program over an existing program, the first program will be overwritten and will be erased. We will go over creating and customizing a program in step 3 of this video. Going back to the home screen, let's go over adjustment settings. In adjustments, you can change the chair angle, meditation music, zero gravity recline, rocking, or time remaining while the chair is running. When holding down the back adjustment buttons, this allows you to recline or bring the chair to an upright position. Meditation music allows you to play meditative harmony in the background through the chair speakers when running meditation 1, 2, and 3 programs. Choose from volume level 1, 2, or 3. Note, adjusting this setting will also change the overall speaker's volume for nature sounds and Bluetooth audio. Next setting within the adjustments screen is zero gravity. Use this control to enter weightless zero gravity recline. Zero gravity elevates your feet up over your head to improve overall circulation and reduces gravitational force on your spine for a sense of weightlessness. Choose from recline level 1 or 2. Next is rocking. Use this setting to enter a state of rocking back and forth. This feature is great for those who want a traditional method of a rocking chair. Select Rocking On to add a chair movement to any massage auto program. The last setting in adjustments is Time Remaining. In Time Remaining, you will see 3 different options: 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and 30 minutes. Choosing one of these options will reduce or expand the time of your current massage session by up to that amount of time. Back in the home screen, let's go over Sound. Tap Sound. Use this screen to select and control the nature sounds featured on your chair. Here you will see 10 different nature sounds you can choose from. There is white noise, ocean, crickets, rain, fireplace, airplane, car ride, thunderstorm, windy night, and nature. Once you select your desired sound effect, you can choose the level of volume below, 1 through 9 and off, 1 being the quietest and 9 being the loudest. To turn off nature sounds, simply turn the volume off or deselect the nature sound. Navigate back to the home screen. The last settings within the home screen is System. Use this screen to adjust and personalize your chair and tablet remote settings. Once in System Settings, here you see 8 different options. If you see only 4 options, scroll down to view the other options. You should see Sleep Mode, Bluetooth, Voice Control, Voice Command List, Display Brightness, Language, Firmware Version, and Help. The first system setting is Sleep Mode. Here you can toggle Sleep Mode on or off. When Sleep Mode is on, the chair will stop in the recline position after auto programs. When Sleep Mode is off, the chair will return to a fully upright position after each auto program. Next is Bluetooth. Here you can toggle Bluetooth on or off. Bluetooth must be turned on to power up the speakers to stream music or use the Soothe Me sounds. To pair your Android or Apple device, we will be going over that in part 3 of this video. Next is Voice Control. Here you can toggle on or off the built-in intelligent voice command and control feature. This feature allows you to control the chair and massage experience completely hands-free. For a list of commands, tap the Voice Commands List button below the voice control. Once on, simply say, "Hey Kyota" or "Hi Kyota," followed by the command you wish to activate. Below Voice Command List is Display Brightness. Display Brightness lets you control your desired tablet remote screen illumination. Setting 1 is dimmest and 9 is brightest. Tap plus or minus buttons on screen to change this setting. Next is language. This chair has 2 language settings to choose from, English and Chinese. Next is firmware version. This will indicate the latest software installed on your device. And lastly is help. Tap help to be taken through to the help screen. Here you will be able to access where to find help and contact information if you are having any trouble with your Kizuna M688 massage chair. Now let's personalize and take control of some features within an auto program. Return to the home screen and select Auto. For this example, we are going to pick Morning. Once you select Morning, the chair will do a TrueFit body scan. After a massage program is selected, you'll be taken to the body scanning screen to ensure an accurate massage that fits your body. Once the countdown starts, here you can use the arrows to adjust the back mechanism up and down to match your specific shoulder height. After the countdown timer has elapsed, your massage will start. Note: during the body scan, if you decide you want to stop and turn off the massage chair, simply hit the stop button on the display screen. This will reset the entire chair back to its beginning state. After adjusting your shoulder height, you will be taken to the In Use screen where you can observe all current settings and session information. To the top left of the In Use screen, you should see 4 different icons. The first icon is Zero Gravity. This will indicate if the zero gravity feature is on or off. Below that is Heat. This will indicate if the heat setting is on or off. Next is the Audio indicator. This will indicate if nature sounds are on or off. The fourth indicator is Cooling. This will indicate if the waist cooling is on or off. Right below the figure is the Body Scan button. During any massage program, you can double tap this button to rescan your body and adjust the back mechanisms to your specific shoulder height. Once completed, this will take you back to the In Use screen to continue your massage. At the bottom of the screen are the different level indicators for speed, width, heat, air intensity, foot rollers, and waist cooling. To adjust these levels, we will go over that in the custom selection screen very shortly. In the top right corner is the program title, along with the duration of the massage. To stop or pause the massage, simply tap on either of the buttons below the duration. If you hit pause, this will pause the massage immediately. To continue, just re-tap to resume the massage. If you tap stop, this will stop the massage and reset the chair entirely. To the right of the pause button is the home button. Tapping this button will bring you back to the main home screen where we started right after the initial boot up. Below the stop, pause, and home buttons is the sleep mode switch. Tapping this button will toggle the switch to turn sleep mode on or off. At the bottom right of the screen, we have more options. Similar to the home screen, we have auto, manual, adjustment, and smart massage. Tap each one of these to bring you to their designated screens to pick an auto program, adjust certain chair settings, or manually set different massage settings to your desired liking, or run an AI suggested massage. To quickly personalize your massage, swipe left or tap the small arrow on the right edge of the screen. This will take you to the Custom Selection screen. The Custom Selection screen allows you to tailor your massage exactly to your needs. At the very top right of the Custom Selection screen is the Control Panel lock. When toggled on, this lock will prevent you from returning to the In Use screen so you can make continuous adjustments. To return to the In Use screen, make sure the Control Panel lock is unlocked and shortly you'll return to the In Use screen. Now let's get into settings. The first setting is Focus Zone. Here you have 3 options to control the range of motion of the back mechanism. There is Whole, Partial, and Point. If you select Whole, this sets the rollers to utilize the entire L-track in the massage chair. That is from your neck to lumbar. For a more focused massage, select Partial. Press and hold the up and down arrows to the right to control the location of the back mechanism. This setting moves the rollers in a 6 to 8 inch section where they currently are on the L-track. For a more targeted area, select the Point option and use the up and down arrows again to move the rollers to any desired position on your body along the L-track. Below the focus zone is Time Remaining. Just like in the adjustment settings, here you have the option to simply change the duration of your massage. To the right, we have the controls for air settings and intensity, heat, waist cooling, and foot rollers. In air settings, here you can turn on the airbag region you desire to get a great compression massage. There are 3 different options: full, upper body, and lower body. Once you have chosen an air region, next you can adjust the maximum air intensity of the air massage below. Here you will see 6 different options: 1 through 5 and off. The higher the number, the more force the airbags will apply. If you decide you want the airbags off, simply select off in the max air intensity or deselect the air setting option you selected previously. Below air intensity is heat. Here you can choose from 4 different heat intensity levels, 1 through 3 and off, 1 being warm and 3 being hot. Next is waist cooling. Here you can choose from 4 different cooling intensity levels, 1 through 3 and off, 1 being cool and 3 being cold. The last setting is foot rollers. Here you have the option to turn the foot rollers on or off. If you select on, you then have the option to choose between 3 different speed settings, 1 through 3 and off, 1 being slow and 3 being fast. Back in the In Use screen, let's return to the main menu and explore the manual settings. Tap Manual. Here we get to create your own massage sequence by layering selections to build your own program, which then can be saved within Favorite. Note, your first selection on this screen will start your massage. Let's begin building your program. Starting at the top left, we have 5 different massage techniques that this chair offers. There is Knead, Tap, Knock, Shiatsu, and Sink. Try each one of them and see which one you enjoy the most. For this example, we are going to choose Knock. Now with the type of massage selected, let's make a focus zone selection. Choose an area you would like the back mechanism to focus on. Let's choose Partial. Once chosen, use the up and down arrows to adjust the back rollers along the L track. To change the width of the back rollers, you have 3 different options to choose from: narrow, medium, and wide. Let's select medium width. Note, width cannot be adjusted when in Knead or Sink mode. Keep note of the red icon. When this appears, this means a feature is not available. Now let's choose the massage speed. Select 1. This will give us a slow tissue massage. Let's also change our massage time to 30. On the air settings, select upper body. This will start the air compression massage in the arms, hands, back, and shoulders. Now let's choose an air intensity level of 4. This will really help with releasing that tension in the body. Let's also bring on the heat. Choose heat level 2 and turn waist cooling off. Then set foot rollers to 1. This will help to loosen and relax tense muscles. Now that we have built our own custom massage, let's save it in our favorite programs. Tap the small arrow to the left edge of the screen, which will bring us back to the home screen. Now tap Favorite, then Save on any of the 3 available slots. Congrats! You have now saved your very own massage, and you can utilize it at any time by returning to the Favorite Programs list. Now that we have learned the ins and outs of the manual controls, let's pair your phone to the chair so you can play and enjoy your favorite songs, audiobooks, podcasts, and more through the chair's Bluetooth speakers. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled in the System menu on the Kizuna M688 tablet remote. Now make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your Bluetooth device. If Bluetooth is already on, your device will automatically detect the Bluetooth-enabled massage chair around you. Select Kizuna in your Available Devices section of your Bluetooth settings and ensure the connection went through. Now you should be connected to the chair speakers and you are ready to enjoy your favorite music. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the Kizuna remote control, you can now fully enjoy your Kizuna M688 massage chair and truly maximize your massages. Kyota, the world's most advanced massage chairs.